All right, welcome to Meet the Dancers. All right, so first of all, let's quickly introduce ourselves. We'll start with Maria.
Hi, I'm Maria.
And,
Hi, I'm Lucy.
okay, cool. Quickly tell us a little bit more about yourself. Where you're from, what is it that you do, and some of your hobbies maybe, besides dance.
Well, I grew up in Santa Cruz.
Yeah.
I've been in Santa Cruz since I was a little girl, so that's, 20 years now.
20 years, okay.
And for the majority of those 20 years, I've been horseback riding.
Horseback riding.
Yeah. I ride
Yay.
horses a lot, every day actually. I can't go a day without seeing him or he gets grumpy.
Right.
But I've been horseback riding for so long that was the only thing I did for like a really long time. So I thought when I got to college I'd try something new. And I'd recently gotten into K-pop.
K-pop. K-pop.
My senior year of high school.
K-pop singing or
So-
K-pop dancing?
Dancing.
Both?
Dancing.
Okay.
And I thought it was really fun, so I thought, why not join a hip hop class?
Ah.
Because
Uh-huh.
then I could gain experience, and it's actually made learning choreos a lot easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know how to break it down now.
Okay, so you started with K-pop before you came to
Before
dance
I did
class here
hip-hop.
at Cabrillo. Nice.
But I think I like hip hop at Cabrillo more now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
K-pop is really cool too. I know there's a lot of fans of K-pop too, so
Yeah.
I'm definitely one too. All right, cool. Let's move on to Lucy. A little bit about yourself, your background.
Hi, I'm Lucy again, sorry.
Uh-huh.
I'm from the Central Valley. I recently moved here to Santa Cruz 3 years ago.
3 years
Not
ago.
so recent, but
Uh-huh.
I've been at Cabrillo in and out.
Mhm.
I'm a biology major. So,
Biology major.
And
know.
I've just loved dancing all my life, and I just wanted to explore it. And
Uh-huh.
I just look at the videos and I want to do that.
Like when you say look at videos, like music videos?
Music videos,
YouTube
dance
video?
videos,
Any video.
choreograph, like
Uh-huh.
anything. I just love dance.
Yeah.
So I'm taking ballet,
Okay.
I've taken salsa, and then hip hop.
Okay.
So this is a new thing, and I'm loving it, and hopefully I can get better.
Nice. So before taking this class, now let's go back. Maria, this is what semester are you? How many classes of hip hop have you taken?
I think it's 4 now.
This is your fourth one,
My
and then
fourth class.
Lucy, this is your
First.
one. Okay. So before this class, what classes have you taken besides hip-hop?
Dancing class?
Yeah, any dance.
None.
None. Okay. Cool. And then now you're taking hip hop as well as ballet
And ballet. Hip hop and ballet this semester.
together.
Together. And
Wow. How was that?
then amazing.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
And I just can't wait to get better. And there's so many things to explore that I
Yeah.
just want to learn and
Yeah.
grow. It's just so amazing. I love dancing.
So I feel like I'm not flexible enough for ballet.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
it's just literally practice. It's all that is, and then
I
constant.
stretch all the time, and I still can't do the splits.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about your experience in our class. Maybe you can list some of the things that that you like about the class. You know, maybe what you like most about the class, and maybe some of the things that that you find challenging about the class. So maybe Maria, maybe you can start. Maybe just start with what you like, and you can think about it. Okay.
What you like? This is gonna sound weird, but I think my favorite part of the day is warming up.
Warming up.
Warming up.
Okay.
Because when we're warming up, it's fun because it's just like basic footwork and basic stuff, like it's bare and raw, and you can add stuff to it. Like if we're just doing legs,
Yeah.
we can add arms,
Yeah.
and like just I don't know. I mess around and have fun when we do warm ups.
Yeah,
and I
that's
think it's a
cool.
lot of
Yeah.
fun to do
That's
that
the- yeah.
at the beginning of the day.
Good. Good.
But the thing that I find most challenging is actually helping others
Oh, okay.
to understand.
Uh-huh.
Because this class is full of so many different levels of dancers,
Right.
and sometimes like I notice that you'll pair like advanced dancers or like intermediate dancers with beginners,
Right.
and they'll spend a while teaching them, and I found that it's actually hard to communicate if you have two different learning styles.
Right. Right.
So I think that's been the most challenging. I've been overcoming it, but it takes practice to really build teamwork.
Yeah.
Is what it is.
Yeah. That's
Teamwork
great.
is hard.
That's great. Yeah. How about you, Lucy?
And it's actually kind of similar to hers. What I love most is that we are such like different levels of a group that I like to challenge myself, and
Yeah.
I come in here and I like see the great dancers and the more experience, and
and
Yeah.
like I just want to get myself to that level.
Yeah.
With that being said, that is the most challenging thing because I in my head I compare myself like, oh dang it, why do I suck so much?
Ah, yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
That goes through
Like,
every
dang
dancer.
it.
You know? But I love that about the process, you know, just learning. And it's such a great experience, like I said. And that's what I love and think it's the most challenging. Those two
Got it.
things.
Yeah. Okay, let's close with this one. Okay, so let's think about a lot of people online that are watching. Maybe they are beginners. We have a lot of beginners that are watching, and probably one of the hardest thing to do is get enough nerve to actually dance in front of other people or take a class. You know what I mean? So I that's one of the biggest fear that I hear a lot from beginning dancers. So maybe. Share your own experience, or what advice, what tips you may have to give somebody who's just starting off. We always say, hey, don't worry, just dance, but we know it's harder than just dance, right? So maybe you guys could think about what's the best advice you may give somebody in that position. Maria, you want to start off?
So I remember my first day of dance class. It was really awkward. And I was really embarrassed, especially with the icebreakers.
Nerve.
Icebreakers have never been my thing, especially when you have to stand up in front of like 30 other people and like, state your name, where you're from, your favorite food or whatever.
Right.
I've never been great at that because I'm more of an introverted person than an extroverted person. So I've struggled with having people watch me when I dance and just having cameras on me.
Yeah.
So like
right
even now I'm really
like right now, yeah.
If you do get nervous,
Yeah.
my one tip is probably lose yourself in the music.
Lose yourself in the music. Now
Let everything else fade
we
out
talked
except
a little
the
bit
beat.
earlier before. That was a great tip that you had. What was the tip? Remember?
Which one? Oh, okay. So a good way to learn how to do that is instead of dancing with a speaker or a stereo, use headphones. Because then you can hear the music a lot clearer, you can hear the beat, you can feel the beat. Just be the beat, be the music,
That's
and
a great
ignore
tip.
everything else.
That's a great tip. Yeah, use the headphones.
That's how I dance
so,
at home.
so you can kind of drown yourself into music. Yeah.
Drown yourself out.
Okay.
It helps
Good.
a lot.
Good.
At least it helps me.
Yeah, that's a great tip. Thank you. Lucy, any tips?
Honestly, I just not sign up to a class right away. Just come and see and look at.
Oh, visit a class.
Yeah, visit a class
Yeah.
and just come and see how we're all at different levels. So maybe that will get your nerves out of the way a little bit.
Right.
Seeing like other people also that are beginners
Yeah.
kind of go through that same process, and then maybe just start off with signing up just to one class, and then go on from
Maybe
there.
at a studio or something.
Exactly, anything. Like, just getting your foot into the door, I think, just helps.
Yeah.
And will definitely get your, like, fear out of the way,
That's right.
kind of,
Yeah.
if that makes any sense.
Makes sense.
But just getting up and just even coming to one of our classes, I
Right.
think would definitely help.
Right.
Just looking at first.
Right. And what do they do though if they're just so, like when you're talking about, so scared? I think most of us would classify ourselves as introverts, right? So how do you overcome that nervous feeling, that fear? How do you overcome it? I mean, obviously you both have overcome some because that's why you guys are here. What do you say to those people that are just like, dude, I just can't overcome it? Is there anything? Is there a magic pill they could take? Something? I don't know.
Unfortunately, there's no magic pill.
No, there's no magic pill.
There's
Good.
no magic
Right.
pill.
There's no magic
but,
pill, guys.
Every day, I try to come in with a smile on my face because even if you don't feel excited, even if you're nervous, if you smile, eventually your smile is going to be genuine.
Right.
Right? Because once you start moving and your blood starts pumping, everything else fades away and you're just excited because your adrenaline's up.
Very good.
And then after, at least that's what I've noticed, after warm-ups, like, I don't care if anybody's looking at me anymore, I just do my own thing.
Yeah,
like,
adrenaline's pumping. Yeah, that helps.
Honestly, I personally am always like, oh, should I go? Should I
Right,
not
right.
go?
So it's so every day there's still
There's, like,
a
yeah.
debate.
So
internal
like,
debate, yeah.
just when you do have that, you know what, I'm gonna do it today. Just get in your car and drive over here, walk over here, just come on and do it. Just hop on it, like just dive right into it personally.
Right.
That's what worked for me.
Right.
I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it.
Yeah.
And I don't know, I know it's really hard,
Yeah.
like for a lot of people, but sometimes you just have to dive in
Yeah.
and see kind of how it turns out. I'm
Right.
so sorry, I don't know if that's
No,
so bad.
that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Great. Well, thank you both. We have to get back to practice now, guys. Bye.
Sorry. That was so
Sorry,
great.
I was like, oh, I'm